My name is Muskan. I read in 11th class. My school name is Government High Secondary School, Karnashadgal. Today topic is role of Subhash Chandra Bose in freedom struggle. Subhash Chandra Bose was a great Indian nationalist. People even today know him by love of his country. This true Indian man was born on 23rd of January in 1897. Most noteworthy, he fought with bravery against the British rule. Subhash Chandra Bose was certainly a revolutionary freedom fighter. The participation of Subhash Chandra Bose took place with the civil disobedience movement. This is how Subhash Chandra Bose became part of the Indian independence movement. He became a member of the Indian National Congress (INC). Also, in 1939, he became the party president. However, this was for a short time only because of the resignation from this post. The British put Subhash Chandra Bose under arrest. This was because of his opposition to British rule. However, due to this clearness, he secretly left the country in 1941. He then went to Europe to seek help against the British. Most noteworthy, he sought the help of Russian and German against the British. Subhash Chandra Bose went to Japan in 1943. This was because the Japanese gave their agreement to his appeal for help. In Japan, Subhash Chandra Bose began the formation of the Indian National Army. Most noteworthy, he died the formation of a provisional government. The Axis power during the Second World War certainly recognized his provisional government. Northeastern part of India. Furthermore, this attack took place under the leadership of Subhash Chandra Bose. Also, the INA was successful in capturing a few portions. Unfortunately, there was the surrender of INA due to weather and Japanese police. However, Bose made his refusal to surrender clear. He escaped on a plan, but this plan most probably crashed due to his Subhash Chandra Bose died on 18 August 1945. Subhash Chandra Bose strongly supported the complete independence of India. In conclusion, Subhash Chandra Bose is an unforgettable national hero. He had tremendous love of his country. Furthermore, this great personality sacrificed his whole life for the country. Thank you.